guys, today we are in Castle Hills. Obviously, if you don't know where Castle Hills is, it's just like outside of Northallerton. Well, it kind of is in Northallerton, but obviously Northallerton Station's right over there, so, and obviously Blue Bridge over there, and yeah, obviously we're going to be seeing trains like LNR, Northallerton, cross country, maybe freight as well. Maybe freight as well, if we're not lucky, if we're lucky. Obviously we won't see Grand Central because Grand Centrals don't go down there. Obviously down there's Darlington, down there. So Grand Centrals do not go to Darlington, but anyway, let's have some fun. Let's Castle Hills then. Northallerton Express, about to come past Castle Hills.
It did look like that wasn't a Zoomer.
We thought this was a Zoomer. If it was, well, we might see some tomorrow at York.
Yeah.
Guys, check out that. I'm going to be doing a video at York tomorrow, so that'll be on soon this week. Later this week, or should I say next week because it's Sunday. Look how bright those lights are.
It's because they're the night headlights.
We'll get some tones. So we pick it. Where's that going? Darlington.
Darlington!
There goes under the Blue Bridge. Northallerton Express about to come past Castle Hills. I think it said it was going to Northallerton Street. It probably will be stopping at Northallerton, and yeah. And there goes that Northallerton Express. So we're about to come past Castle Hills. Can't tell what it is. It's across country. Nice turn there. Nice turn there for the driver. That was nice. There it goes, past the Blue Bridge. There it goes. Keep speeding past Castle Hills. LNR, about to come past. I think it is, yeah, LNR. Castle Hills. There we go. Oh, nice there. It's bloody high up. I'm not even joking. It's high up. It's high up. There we go, there it goes, about to go to the Blue Bridge, I think it's under now, yeah. Anyway, there goes the LNR, speeding past Castle Hills. Northallerton Express, about to come past Castle Hills. I don't think that might not be stopping at Northallerton, I don't know. Obviously there it goes, coming past the Castle Hills there, that was nice. There it goes. Might be. It might be stopping at Northallerton, I have no idea whatsoever. But anyway, Northallerton Express speeding past Castle Hills. Cross country about to come past Castle Hills, I think it's across, yeah. There it goes, cross country, going on to the Blue Bridge. I don't know where it's going. Probably somewhere like Scotland or something like that, I don't know. Anyway, there it goes, cross country, speeding past Castle Hills.
Yo, this is Josh Stevenson, just met up with my big boy. Oh, that is a beautiful. Oh my god, the colour is insane! Put that on YouTube.
LNR. Let's go past, I think it's a slam. Nice turn there, that was nice. I think that's another train over there. There's another train over there, can you see the light? Yeah. Anyway, there goes that LNR speeding past Castle Hills. Nice turn for the driver as well, that was pretty nice. Cross country, about to speed past. it goes. We didn't get a turn there sadly, but anyway, who cares? Better than nothing, but there it goes. Cross country, speeding past Northallerton. Cross country! There it goes. Cross country, leaving Castle Hills. That was pretty nice, that. There it goes. Cross country, leaving Castle Hills.